If you want to make a read-only channel on Discord, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn any Discord channel into a read-only space so members can view messages but can't send new ones. This is perfect for announcements, rules channels, updates, or any server where you want to keep the conversation controlled and organized. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Discord guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open the Discord desktop app and go to the server where you want to make the channel read only. This needs to be done from the server settings, so make sure you're in the right server before you begin. Once you're inside the server, find the channel you want to edit. You can hover over the channel name to reveal the options, then click the gear icon that says Edit Channel. When the channel settings open, look for the Permissions tab. Click that because this is where you control who can do what inside the channel. If your server uses the newer interface, you may also see advanced permissions, so click that if needed to get to the full permission list. Now select Everyone, because this is the role you usually want to restrict for all regular members. Next, find the permission called Send Messages. This is the main setting that controls whether people can post in the channel. To make the channel read only, click the cross icon to deny that permission. Once Send Messages is disabled, members with the @Everyone role will no longer be able to type in that channel. If you want the channel to feel even more locked down, there are a few optional permissions you may want to remove as well. You can also click the cross for Create Public Threads, Create Private Threads, and Add Reactions. That helps stop members from using threads or reaction spam in a channel that is meant only for announcements or information. Take a moment to review everything carefully before saving. You want to make sure you only change the permissions for the correct role and the correct channel. If you accidentally edit the wrong role or skip the wrong permission, people may still be able to post. So double check that Everyone has Send Messages denied and that any extra permissions you want blocked are also set to deny. Once you're happy with the settings, click Save Changes. Discord will apply the permission updates immediately, and your channel should now be read only for everyone in that role. Members will still be able to see the messages, but they won't be able to reply or post inside the channel. That's it. You've successfully made a Discord channel read only. This is one of the best ways to keep your server clean, professional, and easy to manage. If you want more Discord tutorials, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more server setup tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.